Hey guys, what's up? This is Kajal and welcome back to my channel. आज का जो वीडियो है वो बड़ा ही मोस्ट रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो है. आई हैव गॉट सो मैनी रिक्वेस्ट टू डू अ फैशन हॉल एंड आई थिंक टुडे इज द राइट डे टू डू दैट बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ फैशन हॉल दैट टू clothes shopped from Fashion Nova. I seriously wanted to try clothes from Fashion Nova from a very long time because मैंने बहुत सारे celebrities को देखा है trying Fashion Nova. So I always wanted to order clothes from Fashion Nova and I always thought कि maybe it will take longer time to get delivered, but I was wrong. जैसे नॉर्मल डिलीवरीज को टाइम लगते 10 to 15 days आई थिंक मुझे लगे एंड आई गॉट ऑल माई क्लोथ्स एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस हॉल. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. The first outfit is the one which I am wearing right now. I am totally, absolutely in love with this outfit and I thought चलो अब पहन ही लेती हूँ मैं because this is such a cute outfit. I love to wear floral clothes. Fitting of this dress is absolutely perfect. I was scared while ordering that size बराबर आएगा या नहीं, but I have to say fitting is perfect. मुझे कुछ भी alteration की ज़रूरत पड़ी नहीं. It has got cute frill over here and a corset kind of a design over here which will make you look more sexier. And I just love the sleeves. It has an elastic over here and थोड़ा puffy kind of a sleeves there. So I love this one. This is my favorite outfit. So our second outfit is this cute crop top. Isn't this so cute? I just love the color and look at the back. Isn't it sexy? I am totally in love with this one. And look at the sleeves. These are like off-shoulder sleeves and this gives me a total boho kind of a vibe. You can pair this with denim skirt or denims or anything high waist. This will look bomb. I am in love with this one. So the next outfit is this cute wrap and tie shirt. Let me show you all. Look at this. So basically you have to wrap it and then tie it in the front. I love the color and the material. This is so smooth, like wow. And lightweight. See, तो छोटू सा भी हो गया ये. So I just love the material and it looks absolutely fabulous on me. This is giving me a total Fallon Carrington vibe, like boss lady kind of a vibe. And you can wear this for a lunch date, I guess. Yeah, you'll totally kill it. Pair it with nice pencil kind of denims, the one which are like, you know, like this skinny denims. It will look amazing. Now the next outfit is this blue hot satin dress. When I ordered this, I was eager to try this one because I have never tried something like this. And मैंने satin का कोई dress भी कभी पहना नहीं, so I was very excited to try a satin dress. Let me talk about the detailing. This has got a high neck like this, and the shoulders are padded. Look at this. So it will give you a nice sharp and edgy look, very classy kind of look. And talking about the sleeves, they are very long, like this. So it looks like this, and when you do your hands up, it's like this. Nice, right? And at the top, it's little bit loose over here. And when you go to bottom, this is in proper fitting, thoda sa tight, and this has got plates over here. I'm sorry, this is not ironed. So I am a bit on healthier side, so I was like, ये मुझे अच्छा दिखेगा या नहीं, or I look fat, but I look, as you can see, I look nice wearing this outfit. You can wear this outfit for a nice party or an award function, something like that. So please invite me for a party or award function and I'll wear this. So now the next outfit is very comfy, very simple. Again, blue in color. This cute hoodie, tie and dye hoodie, and I have to say, I have used so many hoodies, but this has the best material. This is made up of cotton and polyester, and I have to say this is so soft. I feel so cozy when I wore this. And this has got a Nickelodeon cartoon whose name I don't remember. I used to watch this cartoon, but अभी मुझे इसका नाम नहीं याद आ रहा. If you know, then please comment down. So I love this hoodie. This is थोड़ा सा cropped, and I love this one. This has got amazing fitting. And to pair this up, I got something else as well, and that is this joggers. Wow. Again, they are in tie-dye collection. And I got one size bigger for this because I wanted that baggy look. So if you're on smaller size, take medium. I used medium. I took large size only if you want that extra baggy look. I wanted that extra baggy look, so I got this large size wala joggers. The material again is so soft and nice, cotton and polyester mix. This is tie and dye, and this also has a cartoon over here and a cartoon over here. Oh, again the same cartoon whose name I don't remember. If you know, please let me know. मैं ये बचपन में बहुत देखती थी, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है. Anyway, this looks very classy, very cool, very comfy. If you're going to hang out with your friends somewhere like this only, then you can definitely wear something like this. And this is so much in trend nowadays. People have stopped wearing denims, one piece and everything, but they wear this kind of outfit. Now moving to our next dress, it is this cute little blue denim dress. I absolutely love this one. आपने मुझे एक बार पहनते हुए देखा है, you know which video में, because मैं wait नहीं कर पाई. And I love wearing denim because denim is something जो आप कभी भी कोई भी season में पहन सकते हो, and अलग अलग ways में पहन सकते हो, and you'll totally rock it. And this is one of the way I love it. ये short सा dress है, not very short, and it has buttons over here and puffy sleeves. Get this, princess kind of the sleeves, and अच्छे से puffed up है. I love this part. Fitting wise, this is amazing. This is a bodycon dress, so I was worried कि मेरी figure कैसे दिखेगी, but अच्छी लग रही है. आप लोगों ने तो देख ही लिया मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, तो अच्छी लग रही है. And material wise also it's amazing. I have to tell you all that सारे के सारे कपड़े जो भी मैंने अभी तक ट्राई किए, सबके मटेरियल्स आर लाइक अमेजिंग. नाउ द लास्ट ड्रेस, दिस इज अगेन समथिंग इन टाई एंड डाई, and this is again a jogger suit, but this jogger suit is on a classier side. The other one was on a cooler side. This one is on a classier side. I am in love with the color. This is brown and beige, I guess. So this has this nice bottom, and at the bottom there is something like this to give a nice fit. And talking about the top, here it is. It's a crop top, and it has a string over here, so you gotta do this and then put it up to give you that nice look over here. Material wise, I am in love. It is not as soft as the other one, but this is amazing. I am with love with the material, the color, and I think I can wear this every day. If you want a cooler look, you can pair this with shoes. If you want a hotter, classier looks, I will suggest you all to wear heels or boots. It will look amazing. That's it guys, that was my fashion overhaul, and all the clothes were affordable, and as I told you all, the material was amazing, fitting was awesome. I will recommend you all to go and have a look on their website. They have some amazing collection. I have mentioned their link in the description, so go and check out Fashion Nova. Also, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, if you're a boy watching my video till now, I love you. I love you so freaking much. And if you're a girl, you all know I love you the most. Tight hugs to you all. That's it. Bye bye. See you again. Ooh.